In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report Google sites. If you've come across a Google site that contains spam, phishing, malware, or other policy violating content, there's a built-in way to report it so Google's trust and safety team can review it. I'll walk you through the exact flow inside Google Sites, and I'll share a few clarity tips along the way to make sure your report is as effective as possible. First, head to Google Sites in your web browser. On the landing page, look for the section labeled Recent Sites. This is where Google Sites surfaces the projects you've opened or worked on most recently, making it quicker to locate what you need. If you don't immediately see the site you want to report, scroll through that list until it appears. The goal here is simply to open the specific site that contains the issue you want to report. Next, click the site to open it. Once the editor loads, look to the top of the screen for the preview option. It typically appears as an eye icon with the word preview nearby. Preview gives you the live visitor-facing view of the site. Click preview to open that view. In the preview window, look for the report abuse link. This usually appears along the preview's toolbar or footer area, and it's designed specifically for flagging problematic content. Click Report Abuse to launch Google's abuse report form for site's content. When the form opens, select the reason that best matches the issue you're seeing. Choose the most accurate category available, such as phishing, malware, impersonation, or other violations. The more precise your selection, the faster it can be routed to the right team. If the form provides a text box, add a short, clear description of what you observed. It helps to mention what page or section contains the problem and why it's harmful or against policy. Keep your explanation factual and avoid including any personal or sensitive information. After you've chosen the reason and added any details, click Submit Report. That sends the report to Google for review. You may see a confirmation that your submission was received. From there, Google will evaluate the site against their policies and take action if needed. You don't need to do anything else after submitting. You can close the tab and move on. That's it. By opening the site, previewing it, using the report abuse link, selecting a reason, and submitting, you've completed the process the right way. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you report problematic Google sites quickly and confidently.